How to make your account public on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, if you have an X account as a private, and in order to make your account public, you need to go to the settings first. Here on this home screen at the top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. Scroll down and select the settings and support option in the bottom. Again, select the settings and privacy option. Next up, you need to go to the privacy and safety option over here. In this space at the top, you can see the audience and tagging option. Tap on this. Now it will take you to the page from where you can control who you can share your posts and videos to. As you can see here are two different options: protect your posts and protect your videos. Currently, both of these are enabled, which means my posts and videos are protected, making my account private. So if I want to make my account public, I just need to disable both of these options. Simply tap on this toggle icon in the right hand side. Once these are disabled, the posts and videos I will be posting will not be protected anymore, which means it'll be publicly visible. So that's it. That's how you can make your account public on X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.